In this video, we will learn how regression forests predict stock prices using the wisdom of crowds.
A single prediction is like a sapling in a storm. Market volatility can easily blow it over.
Imagine turning risk into reward. Accurate predictions lead to better investments and bigger gains. Regression forests tap into the wisdom of crowds by using many decision trees for greater accuracy. First, we need to gather the raw materials, historical stock data, news, and market indicators. Now, let's grow our forest. Train each tree on a random data subset and feature selection. Each tree, with its unique training, now makes its own prediction about the stock price. Time for the forest to vote. Average all individual tree predictions for the final forecast. By averaging, regression forests smooth out the noise, reducing overfitting and improving generalization. How do we know it's working? Evaluate using metrics like mean squared error or R-squared. Regression forests often beat single trees and linear regression in complex, real-world scenarios. Now the exciting part. Use these predictions to inform your stock trading strategy for profit. But remember, balance potential profits with smart risk management to avoid big losses. Regression forests, a robust, data-driven approach to smarter, more accurate stock price predictions.
Subscribe for more content like this and start your prep today.